Cooking seafood doesn't have to be intimidating. I'll show you how easy it is with my friends at Hy-Vee.
For crispier fried tilapia, the temperature of your oil and what you dredge it in matters. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is seafood without the catch. And what matters even more is where you get your tilapia from.
Ours comes from Costa Rica.
Yep.
The company that we use, they use a very stringent, environmentally sound practice. Their process is top of the line. It debunks all those myths about tilapia being an unsanitary fish. Responsible Choice Program means you're getting the best fish, period. Tilapia is that great budget fish that you can feed the family and not break the bank on.
It's entry-level fish for, I think, for every kid in America.
All right, let's get cooking.
Crispy fried tilapia with crispy potatoes and a remoulade sauce, a meal that everybody loves. Tilapia is a very firm fish, and that's why I like to do the buttermilk soak with this, because the buttermilk slightly breaks down the exterior texture. I've marinated these overnight. My oil is at the correct temperature, 375. When I place my filet into that tapioca dredge, I just hit it with a little bit of my lemon and shallot seasoning, shake it off, put it into my potato starch, which is much finer, and into the oil. And lather, rinse, repeat. The benefits for this is you're gonna get that thin, crackly crust without accumulating a lot of batter. Shake that off into the hot oil. Remember, cold water takes the flowers off your fingers. Safe frying in the household, right? Don't fill more than halfway. That way I don't have lots of splatters. Don't crowd the pan. Drops the temperature too much. I also have a thermometer there. I can monitor the heat. 5 minutes of total cooking time is probably all that these need. Always want to hit your cooked fillets with a little bit of salt. Now, crispy potatoes. Just take a baking potato, throw it in the oven, put it in the refrigerator overnight. When it's cold, break it into pieces and fry it twice. First at 300 degrees, and we're gonna fry a batch of potatoes for a second time at a higher temperature. And you can see the darker color. And there you have it. Crispy tilapia with twice cooked potatoes and a really zesty remoulade that's the perfect foil for this dish. There's nothing better than fried fish with remoulade and potatoes. I hope you can hear that crunch, because in my head, it's loud. Get on this right now.